Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you might be excited about the latest updates in 2025 that make transferring Ethereum, ETH, on PayPal easier than ever. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can handle your digital assets with confidence. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have a verified PayPal account and a secure ETH wallet. In 2025, PayPal has fully integrated cryptocurrency features, but always double-check for any updates to their policies. Start by logging into your PayPal account on their official website or app. Once you're in, navigate to the Crypto or Assets section. It's usually front and center for easy access. Next, select the option to Transfer or Send cryptocurrency. You'll need to link your ETH wallet if you haven't already. This might involve verifying your identity for security purposes, which is a good thing to protect against scams. Now, enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. PayPal will show you the current exchange rate and any fees involved. Keep an eye on those, as they can vary based on market conditions. After that, choose the recipient. If you're sending to another PayPal user, it's straightforward. Just search for their username or email. If it's going to an external wallet, double-check the wallet address to avoid any irreversible mistakes. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction, possibly with a two-factor authentication code for added security. One quick tip. Always monitor your transaction on the blockchain using tools like Etherscan to ensure everything goes smoothly. Remember, crypto is volatile, so transfer only what you're comfortable with losing. And there you have it. That's how you transfer ETH on PayPal in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.